first order of business? A wide body kit, of course. There are a total of 16 new custom body bits and pieces, including the B firewheel arches, adding a total of 60 mm, 2.4 inches, to the width of the vehicle. This has freed up space for the tuner's 22-inch alloy wheels, featuring a 5 double-spoke design with a black finish and a fancy hub cover, giving the illusion the wheels are of this interlock type. Continental was in charge of wrapping those king-sized wheels, as the tuner calls them, in chunky 295/35 or 22 tires. Startech has also installed its own tailpipe finishers linked to the actual exhaust system, but the sound you'll be hearing inside the cabin won't be entirely generated by the Velar's engine, whichever that may be. The reason for that is because the tuner has created an electronic sound generator mimicking the noise generated by a gasoline-fed V8 engine. Customers can have it regardless of the SUV's engine, so you can drive a diesel-powered Velar providing the sound of a gasoline V8 that thrills driver, passengers and outside world alike without being annoyingly loud. Rounding off the changes on the outside is a lowering kit tailored to the Velar models, fitted with the air suspension. In the lowest setting, the SUV is brought closer to the road by 30 mm, 1.2 inches, which not only makes it look better, but Startech says it also boosts handling as a result of a lower center of gravity.